If you have ever imagined being able to have a domestic helper capable of tidying your room and doing that boring household chore you always put off, know that this is becoming a reality. Figure AI has just shown something that nobody had managed to do before. 2 autonomous FIGURE03 robots tidying a room, without communicating by radio, without a central server, without a script. I know it sounds like a simulation or a scene taken from a science fiction film, but it is not. It is a robot opening the trash can with its foot. It is 2 robots stretching a duvet from opposite sides, as if they were 2 humans who understand each other without needing to speak. But what lies behind that image is already raising questions that go far beyond a tidy room. Stay until the end, because what I am going to show you about how this works completely changes the way you need to think about the future. But first, subscribe to the channel. That way, you will stay informed about the latest news in robotics. Figure AI published on its official website something that the company's engineers called, without exaggeration, a historic milestone for robotics. 2 FIGURE03 robots, the company's newest model, launched in October 2025, executed a sequence of tasks in a residential room in a completely autonomous way, without operators, without external controllers, without step-by-step, pre-programmed scripts. In less than 2 minutes, the video begins with the room in a state of chaos. Clothes out of place, unmade bed, trash on the floor, chair pulled away from the desk. What happens in the following 2 minutes became the center of an intense discussion among researchers, engineers, and investors from around the world. One of the robots opens a door, not simply by turning the handle, but by locating the handle with precision, pressing it down, pulling the door while recalibrating the body's balance as it opens. The other crosses the room, picks up a pair of headphones from the floor, reorients the object in the air without resting it on any surface, and fits the headphone onto a narrow stand. Then it closes an open book with both hands. Next, it picks up a piece of trash, transfers the entire body's weight onto one leg, and uses the other leg to press the trash can pedal, as a human being would naturally do, deposits the trash, and returns to the normal position. And then the 2 robots position themselves on opposite sides of the bed, and they start making the bed together. That last scene, 2 FIGURE03 robots stretching, unfolding, settling, and smoothing a duvet from opposite sides, is, according to the company itself, the world's first known demonstration of a single learned neural network performing collaborative locomotor manipulation between 2 humanoid robots directly from pixels to actions. In other words, no other company had managed this before. But why is making a bed so difficult for a robot? When you lift a glass, the glass has a defined shape, a fixed weight, a predictable contact point. A duvet has none of these properties. Every touch changes its geometry. Every pull on one side affects what the other side does. There is no correct position for gripping it. It changes dozens of times per second. Now imagine 2 robots doing this together, each seeing the world only through the camera installed in their own body, without transmitting a single message to the other. That is exactly what Figure AI demonstrated. The system that makes this possible is Helix-02, the 2nd generation of the company's artificial intelligence model, presented for the first time in January 2026. Helix-02 is a model capable of controlling movement, balance, and manipulation at the same time, with a single neural network. Figure AI claims it replaces more than 100,000 lines of manually written code, the kind of code that specialists used to spend months programming. An important point: what previously required hundreds of engineers programming every possible movement is now replaced by a neural network that learns by observing data and adapts to new situations. The difference is not only technical, it is philosophical. It is the difference between a robot that follows a pre-programmed script and a robot that learns to improvise in any situation. And the context of this announcement matters. Figure AI is today the most well-capitalized robotics company in the Western world. Valued at $39 billion, the company counts among its investors NVIDIA, Jeff Bezos, and Microsoft. The company's factory, named BotQ and located in California, was producing a few robots per month in 2025. In February 2026, it was producing 60 per month. In April, it reached 240. In May, Brett Adcock, Chief Executive Officer of Figure AI, announced that BotQ produces 1 robot every 60 minutes. If this pace is maintained, Figure AI could close 2026 with thousands of FIGURE03 units in the field, more than all Western competitors combined. But what the messy room demonstration reveals goes beyond production at scale. It answers a question that had been asked for years. Can humanoid robots really function in homes? Not in controlled factories, with constant lighting and objects positioned with precision. In real homes, with real mess. Brett Adcock has been cautious about this question. He has said publicly, on more than one occasion, that he still supervises the robots when they are near his children. And he acknowledges that unexpected everyday situations, a different room, an object out of place, a change in lighting, are still a real challenge. The most recent demonstration was a concrete step in that direction. Figure AI presented the video as proof that Helix-02 continues to evolve as new data is added, without changes to the central algorithm. The same system that learned to sort packages, fold clothes, clean kitchens, and organize living rooms now performs in real time the collaborative tidying of an entire room. And the business plan surrounding all of this is as ambitious as the technology. Adcock announced that the company plans to make the FIGURE03 available to households through a subscription model, like a rental car. The possible price would be approximately $600 per month. In a country where domestic services cost hundreds of dollars per week, that figure starts to make economic sense for a portion of the population. If you live in a large house, care for elderly people, have young children, or simply do not have time for household chores, this demonstration was made with you in mind. Figure AI is essentially betting that the next mass market for humanoid robots is not the factory. It is the room where you slept last night. What exactly did the Helix-02 system learn? And what is still missing for it to truly function inside your home with a robot? When you are making the bed with someone, even if it is the first time, without having agreed on anything beforehand, you do not transmit instructions in real time. You observe the other person's movement, anticipate the next action, adjust your positioning without needing words. This human capacity, which we call implicit coordination, was considered, until very recently, almost impossible to replicate in robots. What Helix-02 does is exactly that. But how? The system is built on 3 layers that operate at different speeds. The slowest layer, called S2, functions like the brain. It processes images and language, understands the general context of the task, and generates high-level instructions. It does not say, move the arm 12 centimeters to the left. It transmits something closer to an intention. Running between 7 and 9 times per second, the S2 is responsible for understanding where the duvet is, where the other robot is, and what the objective of the moment is. The second layer, System 1 or S1, is the body engine. It translates the intentions of the S2 into commands for all of the robot's joints simultaneously, running at 200 times per second. It is this layer that ensures that when the robot pulls the duvet, the feet adjust the balance, the torso leans, the fingers regulate the pressure, all at the same time, in real time. And there is a third layer, System 0 or S0, trained with more than 1,000 hours of human movement data and running at an impressive 1,000 times per second. A kind of built-in instinct about balance and coordination, developed before any specific task. It is this layer that allows the robot to balance on a single foot while using the other to open the trash can. This system was not programmed to open a specific trash can. It learned the principles of balance and manipulation and generalized them to that situation. The most accurate analogy for this is the difference between memorizing multiplication tables and understanding the concept of multiplication. One only works for the memorized cases, the other works for any number. The most incredible and unsettling thing about this demonstration is that the 2 FIGURE03 robots run the same neural network with the same weights without exchanging any messages with each other. Each one perceives the other's intention solely by observing its movements through its own cameras. It would be like the perfect harmony of a couple who have lived together for a long time and have been doing household chores together for years. The change compared to what existed before is profound. Traditional multi-robot systems depend on a central coordinator, a server that distributes tasks, monitors positions, and resolves conflicts. If the server goes down, the robots stop. If the task changes, the coordinator needs to be reprogrammed. Helix-02 eliminates this single point of failure. Each robot is self-sufficient and at the same time capable of collaborating. And this was not built from scratch for this moment. In February 2025, Figure AI showed for the first time 2 robots coordinating with the original version of Helix, but the task was storing groceries with rigid objects and relatively predictable positions. What Helix-02 did now, with deformable objects in a long sequence of distinct tasks with active locomotion between them, is an order of magnitude more complex. Figure AI claims that Helix-02 was able to execute a sequence of 61 correctly ordered locomotor and manipulation actions with implicit error recovery for 4 continuous minutes in a previous task, the loading and unloading of a dishwasher. That was already considered the longest end-to-end autonomous control horizon ever demonstrated in a humanoid robot. The room demonstration goes further. There are 8 distinct behavioral categories: manipulation of rigid, deformable, articulated, and collaborative objects, executed in sequence, in 2 minutes, by 2 independent agents. The same neural network, without specific rehearsal for that scenario. If you work in the domestic services sector, in the area of elderly care, or in property and hotel management, this changes the frame of reference you need to use to plan the next 5 years. And if you simply have a home and spend time every Sunday tidying up, you now have an option to gain time. Figure AI's bet is that for $600 per month, a FIGURE03 can work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. A full-time housekeeper costs, on average, far more than that per month, taking into account salary, social contributions, and benefits. The math starts to make sense for a real segment of the population. Robotics experts have been pointing out that Figure AI's approach, a single end-to-end model trained on data, without separate modules for locomotion and manipulation, represents a philosophical bet that is distinct from most competitors. The theoretical advantage is generalization. The system learns principles, not recipes. The disadvantage is that the emergent behavior of neural networks is harder to audit and correct than explicit code. For domestic use in homes with children, elderly people, or animals, this raises legitimate questions about predictability and accountability in the event of failures. In the competitive landscape, Helix-02 stands out for doing something that no other system has publicly demonstrated: multi-robot coordination without explicit communication, in long-duration tasks with deformable objects. Tesla, with Optimus, is in a learning phase in factories, and Elon Musk himself admitted that the robots still do not perform productive work. Boston Dynamics' Atlas is superior in load capacity, 50 kilograms, compared to the FIGURE03's 20 kilograms, and in industrial robustness, but it is aimed at large factories and costs $150,000 per unit. The NEO from 1X Technologies was designed specifically for the home, with an emphasis on safety, but uses human teleoperation while the system learns. None of them have demonstrated, until now, two robots collaborating in a decentralized way in the domestic environment. Figure AI has opened a new chapter, but still needs to close an old one: the transition from the controlled laboratory to the real and unpredictable chaos of homes with real families. And it is exactly this tension between what has already been demonstrated and what is still missing that makes the current moment so critical, because the answer to that will determine whether we are at the beginning of a real revolution or at the beginning of a very well-funded disappointment. Figure AI's most recent demonstration, in which two robots make a bed in perfect synchronization as if they were human beings, is the first public proof that a single artificial intelligence can coordinate two physical bodies in a real environment without central control, learning the context in real time. Can humanoid robots function in real homes? The answer now is yes, under demonstration conditions with a growing repertoire and still real limitations. Figure AI is at the forefront of a race that does not yet have a certain destination, but that today took an important step. If a FIGURE03 were available to rent for $600 a month and could perform all the household chores you hate the most, tidying rooms, washing dishes, organizing clothes, would you put one inside your home, knowing that it learns by observing everything that happens around you? Or does that already go too far for your concept of privacy and domestic security? Leave your opinion in the comments. If the video was useful, like it and subscribe to the channel to stay informed about the latest news in robotics. Until next time.